Hello my dear friend, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the chapter direct and indirect speech. Study we had already know about that how we can change the direct to indirect speech and some of the pronoun changing that depend on the rule of sun. So now we are going to discuss about the topic change of the tense in a direct to indirect speech. So let's start the video and know more thing about this topic. So you can see here. So first we know how to change tense in the direct and indirect speech. So if the reporting verb is the present or future tense, there is no change in the tense of the verb in direct speech. It means as you know that the direct speech divided into the two parts. One is the reporting verb and second is the reported speech. Reporting verb has a subject and verb, and also we have to get the object word. So if our verb part, it means the reporting verb part is already in a present tense, okay, present tense or future tense, then there is no change in the tense of the verb in indirect speech. It means whenever we convert direct speech to indirect speech, if our reporting verb is in a present tense or the future tense, so there we cannot change the tense of the reported speech like this. So here the first you can see here the reporting verb. This is the part of reporting verb and this is the part of the reported speech. If the reporting verb is a present tense, so you can see here present tense or future tense like this. It tells us this is the future tense, reporting verb in a future tense, and in place of if we get the word like say only say word that represent the present tense or is saying or had said, then it tell us about that it is the present tense. And if we get will say or will be saying or will have said, then it is a future tense. If our reporting verb in a present or future of any parts, then we cannot change the tense of reported speech. Like this, they will say, it is tell us it is a future tense. And if it is a future tense, then here the reported speech is we did not quarrel. We did not quarrel. It is a tell us simple present tense. Simple present tense. So if it is a represent that simple present tense, then we cannot change of this reporting speech. Like this, they will say that they did not quarrel. Okay? Look here. First we remove comma and inverted comma. I change the color. Okay. First you look the comma and inverted comma, and in place of comma and inverted comma you will put word or conjunction word that. And after that you look here or notice the reporting verb. If your reporting verb in a present tense or future tense, any part of the present and future. There are 4 parts and 4 plus 4 equal to 8. If there are any 8 parts belongs from the present tense or the future tense, then we cannot change the reported speech tense. But now going to be changed. Okay. So let's see here. They will say. It is a represent future tense and use the conjunction word, and then you can see this pronoun word change according to the subject. Change according to the subject. So here the they, it is a third person, then we can use here third person subject, and after the using this you can see easily there is no changing of this part, remaining parts. So we easily write same words, that is the mention in reported speech. I hope you all understood it. Now next, you can see how to change if the reporting verb is in the past tense, like this. If your reporting verb, this is the reporting verb, and you can see this part is a past tense, simple past tense or past continuous tense or past perfect tense, any part of the past tense. Okay, so if it is a past tense, the reporting verb is a past tense, then what is going to be the past tense? A past tense in the direct speech may be turned into the past perfect tense. So if our reporting verb in a past tense and here reported speech also in a past tense, okay, also in a past tense, like you can see here decorated word tell us that it is a simple past tense, and this reporting verb also tell us it is a past tense. If in place of said, if we use any part of present and future, then here cannot be changed. But this is the, it is the reporting verb in a past tense, then we can change the whole tense into the another tense. Okay, so see here, I decorated the Christmas tree. So decorated word tell us it is a simple past tense, and now we can change this tense. In which tense? Past indefinite tense or simple past tense change into the past perfect tense. Now see here, Jack said that remove the comma and inverted comma. In place of comma and inverted comma, we use the conjunction word, and after that I change according to the subject. Okay, so Jack is the third person. So in place of I, we use the third person pronoun word. So he decorated change. It means that it is a simple present tense. Simple present tense already use the verb second form. Okay, but in the past perfect tense there is a had plus verb third form. So you can see here, change this tense and use in a perfect tense, past perfect tense. So had decorated the Christmas tree. Okay, I hope you all understood it. So it is the simple past tense or past indefinite tense. So whenever you get any reporting verb in a past tense, any part of the past tense, then you can change the simple past tense into the past perfect tense. Remember this. Now next is past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense. In this tense you can see, if your reporting verb in a past tense and your reported speech in a past continuous tense, then this past continuous tense change into the past perfect continuous tense. Change into the past perfect continuous tense, like this. So here you can see said is referred to the past tense. It means simple past tense, and here is the past continuous tense. So here the reporting verb in a past tense, then it is necessary to change up this tense. And now here tense is past continuous tense, and this past continuous tense change into the past perfect continuous tense. So here said going to be told or said to anything. In place of you can also use the word said in place of said to as a told. Why? Because here is the object. Okay, so if here is not changing, so no problem. Now you put on. So father said to me that. In place of comma and inverted comma, you can use the word conjunction that, and this high word change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Then first person going to be changed according to the this subject in a third person. Okay, and the third person singular number is he. So he, and now this past was planning, it is a past continuous and it's going to be past perfect continuous tense. Then use the helping verb past perfect continuous tense and ing form. So had been planning for my birthday party. Now it is a method of change direct into the indirect tense. First you was the reporting verb and then you was the reported speech tense, and after that to learn the rule and easily change the direct to indirect speech. I hope you are understood it. Now next, if past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense remain unchanged, it means if your reporting verb in the past tense and the reported speech, your reported speech in the tense of past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense, then there is no any changing can be held. Okay, so you can see here Jimmy said I had eaten a lot. So here what this is the word tell us I am not a simple past or the past continuous tense. This group of word tell us I am past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So there is no changing of this type of the tense when it is a past perfect tense or the past perfect continuous tense. So here Jimmy said in place of comma inverted comma use that, and I can change according to the subject. Now here he, and after that use the same words or the same tense that is the mentioned in the direct speech, and now write only add that conjunction. So it is the simple method to change direct speech into the indirect speech. I hope you all understood it. Okay. Now you can see another example. Nora said I had been singing. It is a past perfect continuous tense and it is also remaining in unchanged. So here had been changing. Only remove the comma and inverted comma, and in place of this you can write down that conjunction. So it is a process to change the direct speech into the indirect speech. Now next is, if the reporting verb is the past tense and then shall and will future reference to the direct speech into the change into the should or would. Okay, so it is the depend on the models, and here is the if you get any kind of the shall or will. So shall can be changed into the should and your will is going to be changed into the would. It is a rule. If when it is a simple past tense or the any part of the past tense of the reporting verb. So here the doctor said that remove the comma inverted comma and use I according to the doctor, then it is going to be he, it is the third person, and shall going to be should or would. Okay, why here would use? Because of here use the third person he. Okay, he is a third person. For this subject we cannot use the should. So he would examine the child. I hope you all understood. Now next part is going to be proceed. I will talk it about the next video. So thank you.